Right, hello. I'm at Troodos Sun Valley Cafeteria in Ski Resort. Just have a look around. I'm going to hopefully go up to a toboggan run, not to go tobogganing, but from there I can walk up to the top and hopefully fly my drone. I say hopefully because on another peak there's a satellite dish, so it might be a no-fly zone. However, I'm filming the walk up there as well, so if I can't film anything on the drone, at least we'll have this footage. There's a high chance I'm going to go arse over tit on the way there. At the moment, getting here is dead easy, though that can change on a daily or hourly basis. The roads are all clear. At the moment is, what is the moment today? I think it's Wednesday. A few days before Christmas, I know that much. Snow falling off the trees. Oh, there's a snowman down here, which I'll film. Glad I've got a hat on. You will need to wrap up warm if you come up here. Always looks so different when there's no skiers on it. So that's the ski run, which means that the toboggan run is up this way. Here comes the tobogganist. Oh, it's very beautiful here. I guess now, because the ski lift's not on at the moment, tobogganers have pretty much free rein. But I should observe the tradition of having the toboggan run, or rather keeping off the ski slope, and go this way. And the only problem about being here before the crowds is that the path isn't very well defined. Oh. Yes, this would be one of the ski drag lifts. I might put music on at this point because otherwise all you'll hear is my heavy breathing. So, cue the music. Right, got to find somewhere to launch the drone, if indeed there is anywhere up here I can launch it. I figure if I get further this way, i.e. away from that satellite dish up there, for want of a better term, I'll have more chance. And if I can't, at least I'll know that when I come back here, when there's more snow to do some tobogganing, I won't bother carrying a drone up here. Now I am contemplating sliding back down on the little platform I have to put the drone on when I launch it. Oh. Right, so that's enough filming for now. Let's see what the drone's going to do. Right, I've done my drone filming. I was actually allowed to do it, which is my surprise. And I've stopped breathing so heavily for about 2 minutes. That's going to happen again on the way down, so you'll just have to tolerate that, or I'll put some music on. I'm just going to show you this thing here, this big block of concrete. I was leaning on that while I was getting things ready, and I started feeling a bit unsteady. And I was thinking, God, I must be more unfit than I thought I was. Because I felt that I was wobbling around a lot, and I hadn't actually registered that this thing is actually a weight, a counterweight, so it actually goes up and down and isn't fixed to the ground. So while my heavy breathing is testament to my level of fitness, I'm not as badly off as I might have assumed. And of course, with my New Year's resolutions fast approaching, fully expect to be Charles Atlas within 3 months. And in a sentence, I define my audience demographic there. Up there's a big satellite looking out to the sky. You could ski down here quite happily. You'd get annoyed at having to walk back up again, but there's enough snow for it. It never ceases to amaze me how rocky and unskiable, for want of a better word, the terrain here is during the summer. You wouldn't really think it was a ski slope, because I'd always imagined that, I don't know, it was like a field of grass, or not grass, but you know what I mean, beforehand. But now it's just the side of the hill. It doesn't have trees growing in it. I have to say, it's easier walking downhill. And as the sun's gone in, oh, that was a big one. It'll be interesting to see what the drone footage comes out as. I was going to stop further down the mountain and fly the drone as well, but I got quite a lot of footage there, and I've only got one battery left for the drone, so I might use that for the way back. Oof. Oh. Ooh. There's a snowman politics going on behind me. And over a little panorama. There's the boggan one that way, which we came up. And I should point out that this yellow snow here is just mud. It isn't lemon juice or anything else.